Welcome to this tutorial showing how to make Excel talk. Yes, Excel can talk. How does it work? Simply by adding the speak cells command to your ribbon, and Excel will read the content of the cells in the current selection. So let's see how it works. First, we need to install the command in the ribbon. We're gonna go to the File menu, and under Options, we're going to select Customize Ribbon. For the Choose Commands From, I will choose All Commands. And scrolling down, I will find the Speak cells. Almost there. There you go, Speak cells. I'm gonna add it to my Home tab. I need to create a new group, so selecting Home, New Group. I'm gonna rename it. Speak. Clicking on OK. And now going back to Speak cells, I'm gonna add the command to the Speak group. So now Speak cells can be found under Speak. Clicking on OK, and now I have a new command in my ribbon. Let's try it. First, I want Excel to read the days of the week that I just selected. Let's try.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Beautiful. Now let's try with another type of data. Time.
8 a.m. 4:30 p.m.
Very nice. Let's try another type of data. Text and dollar values.
Rate/hour. $15. Pay. $600.
Very nice. And as you can see, it is very easy. Just install the Speak Cells command to your ribbon, and then whenever you select a cell or a range of cells, just click on the command, make sure your speakers are on, and you will hear Excel read the content of the cells. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching.